Hello everyone, this is Chris Morris. We're continuing here with our advanced training series. This is lesson 22, deals with tag content conditions in a cell. So we're going to be going over what the purpose of a tag content condition is, and then we'll get into how to create a couple different ones. Purpose of a tag content condition is allow the user a way to display the tag value in a cell based on the condition of another tag. So go ahead and open up VT3000. Get your welcome page, open up Virtual Panels 4. Once you're inside, basically click on panels. You can create this content condition for combo panel, performance panel, or an and-on panel. I've got one set up for us here, so go ahead and edit that. Go with tags here to show you. So I've got some duration tags and some state tags. They're all set up for just to only show active information. So here we go. I've got my alarm set out on my panel. This is the cell that I want to show the tag in. Let's go ahead and select that. Go down here, click on conditions, select the content tab, and then you're going to select the add content condition. So basically this is supervisor call. So I want to base this on a specific state of the call. So I'm going to say if that supervisor state equals 1, meaning if it's set, then I want to see the duration of the alarm. Hit OK, shows you what it is. Close out, and then that'll set that up for that condition for that cell. So you go down here and set up another one. We'll go base this one on duration. So content, add content. This is maintenance. So what I want to say is if the maintenance duration is greater than 0, meaning if it has any value at all, select tag. And I want to show the duration. So if the duration is greater than 0, then I want to show that duration tag. You could also do this with the state tag. We're basically saying if the state is greater than 0, show the maintenance duration. Go ahead and just set that back there. Go ahead and hit OK. Close that out here. So now the condition is set for that. Condition is 1. Go back to this other one. Condition is 1. Save and exit. You got it right here. Go ahead and view it. And you can see it's set up here. I'll go ahead and bring up my virtual device, and I'll bring this up so we can look at the supervisor one. So we go ahead and set that supervisor call. Basically the state now equals 1, so it's going to show us our duration in the cell. As you can see, it's right there. Now that when we acknowledge it, that's going to throw the state into number 2, which we didn't say, so this should go away now. It did. Basically cleared, state equals 0 now, duration tag stays away. The other one that we set up was for maintenance, and we based this one on if the duration was ever greater than 0, then we wanted to see that duration tag. So go ahead and set that. And now that it's got a number in it for the duration, it's going to show us the duration tag over here. See how it's showing up there. Even when I acknowledge it, this duration tag is still going to stay here because the duration still has a value. And when I clear it out, now the duration tag does not have a value, therefore this is going to go away. I'll do it for tag content condition. Go back over here to our PowerPoint. Our summary. So purpose of a tag content condition basically allows us to display a tag value in a cell based on the condition or the comparison of another tag. To set one up, tag content condition, you basically get the left comparator, the symbol, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. The right comparator, a value, another tag, however you want to set that up. The result type is a tag in this case, and the result is we selected that tag from the list. Practical app, create a tag condition or tag content condition. So create ones, different scenarios, see if you can get to the type of content you're looking for in a cell. There really isn't any additional information. This PowerPoint and the video pretty much cover exactly how to do it. There's not a whole lot to it. Thank you for your time, and hope you have a great day.